Let's talk about metrics, specifically performance evaluation metrics. These are used to evaluate different ML models, and based on what you are doing, it's going to change what kind of evaluation you're going to use. So if you're using classification, you're going to see accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, ROC, awk. For regression, you will see MSC, RMSC, May. For ranking, we have those. For statistical metrics, we have correlation. For computer vision, we have those. For NLP metrics, we have perplexity, blue, meteor, rogue. For deep learning related metrics, we have some other ones here. And there are two categories of evaluation metrics. We have internal evaluation, so metrics used to evaluate the internals of an ML model, or external evaluations, metrics used to evaluate the final prediction of ML models. And you're going to hear this term evals. So when people are talking about like, yeah, we built our model, now we need to test it with evals, they're talking about metrics. That's what they're talking about, evaluation metrics. And the ones that you're going to probably really want to know are going to be all the classification metrics. Those are really important. And then NLP metrics. So blue, there are some other variants here, maybe all of these, maybe just blue. But having those ones in particular are going to really, help you with evaluations, okay?